We've got a beautiful collection of Scuba and ITY knits. And they're all black and cream, black and white, black and brown. They're just beautiful. So I'm going to show them to you. This is a Scuba. It's just so pretty. It would just be so beautiful for just a little dress, top. Even you could even do leggings. I think would be gorgeous in this. And most of these are $10. There's some exceptions, like this is 100% cotton. It's a black knit. It is absolutely stunning, and this is not $10, but it's only $14.99. It has stretch in one direction. It is a beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric. $14.99 is a giveaway price. This is a Scuba also. The roses, it has stretch in both directions. Really pretty piece of fabric. Again, a great little dress. Even leggings would be adorable. Then we go into the ITYs, and those are $10. The Scubas and the ITYs are $10, which is a ridiculous price. But anyway, this is ITY knits, and you can see it's just great drape. Or maybe you can't see it, but boy, the feel on this is just really beautiful. And that is cotton poly. They're all cotton poly. Everything is cotton poly except for the black knit. Even this is a ribbing. It's only 40 inches wide. It's a beautiful ribbing. Nice. It's about a ½ inch thick rib. Very pretty. But again, it's not $10. $19.99. But nice. It's a cotton poly blend. Has stretch in both directions. So everything has stretch in both directions except for the black, the solid black knit, which is the cotton, and it has stretch in one direction. And everything's $10 except for the two solids. This is, I love this. This is this digital ITYs. And you know, the whole crochet thing is pretty cool looking. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. And again, these are $10 a yard. So the goal is, you know it, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.